What's this?
Your social media and that, but also your
Serious?
email address and your phone
Put
number.
the shoes on, okay?
If they
This is
become
your
a
pink
nuisance.
shoes.
Do
you like it?
That day.
What happened to the other shoe? Oh no.
So whilst
Oh no. Gum? Share bubble gum here. Share bubble gum to Tita and Tito. There. Share bubble gum. Hello. Okay, this is bubble gum.
Yeah.
Wait, attitude lagi consist. Where is Leanie? Boo! Where is Leanie? Where is Leanie? Boo! Peekaboo! Why are you so silly? Ang batang mahilig sa sahig. She loves the floor so much, guys. For some reason, Pilipino, makaikan ako eh. No? Minsan bumababa sa bed. Sa floor natutulog, sa carpet. Come, let's change clothes na. Silly girl. Boo! Ang mukha mo. Boo! Social man ang mukha ni Lini, oy. May Hermes box. Boo! Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Morning, Daddy Mike. Nag-work si Daddy Mike, guys. May kausap sa phone. Ang ating baby silly na nandun, oh. Tignan niyo, nagkalimukat ng sayo. Bibihisan ko na ba? Ayaw mang tumayo, eh. So, time check is 11:30 naman na ay nak. So, sa Ate Paris natin ay nag-school. Daddy Mike naghatid kanina. So, normally, kapag Wednesday, Daddy Mike works from home. So, siya yung naghahatid sa umaga. And we will just go... Oh, Celine and I will go pick her up later. Ate, baby girl! Come here na ba? We'll change clothes. Come! Kahit manag-utok ang ating baby Celine, eh. Hoy! Hoy! In love siya sa Hermes box. Wala, may pa Hermes pa na ribbon, oh. Ha? Lalagyan na mama ng shoes. Tignan niyo, sobrang kalat dito, guys. Kahit ano nilalabas. Come na. Let's go. Up. Up. Whoa. Up. 1, 2, 3. Ready, steady? Ready, steady? Go. Go. So, earlier today, ay nakabenta si mami niyo, guys, ng mga, mga bags. Tatlo yung nabenta ko kayo ng umaga. The same person. So, that's really good, yeah. Kasi, pupunta sila dito just for one bag. And then, it's like, oh, pwede matingin pa ng isa. Tapos, you know, they like other bags as well. Kasi, alam niyo naman si mami niyo, yung taste ng mga bags ay, hindi ako pumipili talaga ng mga bags na hindi ko bet. Kasi at least, kung hindi siya mabenta, ay magagamit ko kasi bet ko, diba? Uy, ikaw ba? What is wrong with you ba? What is wrong with you ba? Tapos punta pa tayo ng post office mamaya kasi may isa din tayong ipopost. O, diba? Diba? May pangnapi na tayo nilinig. Come on na, let's get ready. What's the sound of? What's the sound of? The cat. What's the sound of? Horse. Horse. What's the sound of the sheep? Papa. Sheep. Ba. How about the monkey? Take it right here. Sound of the monkey. Aka.
Yeah, Glenn, Michael, Virgin Money, how are you?
Wow! Don't kick mama lang.
Yeah, thank you, mate. Thanks for asking.
Bisa natin to guys kasi may pupuntahan tayo. So earlier today, kita yung hapsa yung buhok ng mama niya. Uy! It's because nakaligo kaming dalawa.
So I thought I'd give you a call back. So, alrighty. Sorry, firstly, just very quickly, because I recorded recording coaching, and just for idea, that's okay.
Buti na lang, sumama ako sa kanya nag-shower kasi.
I know we
Have a look, beautiful dress, oh. Yeah, you're same with mama.
Money that's been sent. Money that's been sent through to your account.
Where's the Paris?
The other institutions have reported as fraud.
Do you know?
Now, I've got a couple.
You don't know.
Firstly,
know
the
what
ATO have asked us to.
Yeah, she's at school.
Do you have any idea of what that might be up? I guess from your perspective.
Uy. Oh, she's beautiful girl.
Yeah.
Ay, gusto tong mag-didi. Okay, come here. Come here, wala ang titi. Okay.
As in, okay, can you...
Oh my goodness. Hala. Tito's looking, oh. Hello, what does Lenny want? Okay. Pinag-shower ko to siya kanina, guys. Buti na lang ay sumali ako sa shower niya. Kasi normally, pagkatapos na mag-shower, nagnanap, tapos then I can have my shower. But yeah, very lucky na nag-shower kami together kasi natulog siya, nap 10 minutes, like literally 10 minutes. So kung hindi ako sumama sa kanya, ay naku, hanggang ngayon ang buhok ni mami niyo ay nakabuhol pa rin. At least ngayon nakabuhay-hay na ang aking buhok, guys. Kaya naliguan na. Nakno.
So look, in terms of like I said, any money that
Didi pa more, anak.
you were expecting,
What's this?
the social media and that, but also
See?
your email address and your phone
Put the
number.
shoes on, okay? This is your pink shoes. Do you like it?
They don't stop.
Cute ng pa-outfit ni baby sin natin today, ha?
Might have been another woman coming through and she'll play a sympathy card and she'll get all buttoned up and they start to
Show me your outfit, B. Ito pala yung pa-outfit ni mami niyo today, guys. So I got this white mini dress from Zara.
It's all scam.
Love it. And then magano lang ako mag-Havaianas. Tapos ang ating baby Celine, tingnan nyo naman ang kanyang outfit. Show yung outfit, babe. Wow, naka-dress. Wow, naka-dress lagi ka lang. Naka-dress lagi. Uy, what happened to the other shoe? Oh no.
So whilst
Oh no.
So look, there's a channel obviously shut down straight away. The thing is, we won't be shutting it down.
Dad, are you gonna bring bubble gum?
Because there's still money sitting
Are you gonna bring bubble gum? Show bubble gum here. Show bubble gum to Tita and Tito. There. Show bubble gum. Hello. This is bubble gum.
Yeah.
Uy, attitude lagi consist.
Whatever you're told.
Nag-attitude na si Inday. Say bye, Daddy Ling. Lang. Ma. Bye, Daddy. Say see you, Daddy. Give Daddy Caro and kisses before we go.
Kiss. Mwah.
Ma.
Kiss. Ma.
Say see you, Daddy.
Bye-bye. Kiss. Kiss. Ma.
Kiss, Daddy.
Mwah. Mwah.
Gusto lang niya na paglaruan ang
This one's a keyboard bumper. So.
keyboard ni Daddy Mike. Tinan niyo, oo.
Yeah.
Alright. See you.
Bye-bye.
Open the door.
Bye. Go to
Open
the
the
door.
door. See you, Daddy. Say hi to the vlog first.
Hi to the vlog.
Come. Say bye, Daddy. We'll see you later. Yeah. Hold hands. This way. This way. Ayun na talagang umalis na hindi naka-holding hands. Come on na. Agda. Jodita, lagi ka na. Celine. Jodita, lagi ka. What's that? Yeah, we're taking that to the post office. Here. Do you want to check the mailbox? It's too heavy. You can't carry it. It's too heavy. Okay. Give it a go. Give it back to Mama, huh? If it's too heavy. Oh! Ay, Josh! Yung bata nga, stubborn kayo eh. Do you want Mama to help? Mama will help, okay? See what's inside the mailbox. If there's anything. Alam na alam niya eh. Yeah. Open? Is there anything? Dada.
Mama.
Daddy. Here ka. Umalis lang walang...
Dada.
Dada. Daddy, it's 500, yeah? Sasakyan na tayo. It's 12:20 and we are going to pick up Daddy Mike's phone. So, kung napanood nyo yung previous vlogs natin, naiwan ni Daddy Mike yung phone niya sa aircraft, Filipina Airlines, at hanggang ngayon wala kaming balita kung ibabalik ba nila or hindi. So, obviously, Daddy Mike needs his phone now. So, naghanap siya sa Facebook Marketplace kasi we thought it's not very... Hey! What's wrong? It's not very practical na bumili ng brand new kasi marami na naman ngayong here you go sa Facebook Marketplace. So ayun, may nakita siya guys. I think it's iPhone 11 Pro Max if I'm not mistaken. Pero alam niyo ba na malayo siya. It is approximately 35 minutes drive. And yeah, unfortunately, well, Daddy's working. It's not unfortunate. It's good that Daddy's working. But yeah, he's working. And yeah, so kami ni Baby Celine yung pipick up ng phone ni Daddy Mike. I know it's far and it's very tricky kasi ang ating Baby Celine sa sasakyan. But I'll do anything for Daddy Mike. Charis. Gagawin ko ang lahat. Gagawin ko ang lahat. Upang sauli ay tayo. Baby Celine is there now. What happened? I'll just turn on the nursery rhymes para hindi yan siya iyak-iyak. Hey! Hey! Shush! Sana makatulog din to siya. What is wrong? Okay, I'll give this to you. I'll give this to you. There's nothing worse than having a crying baby in the car. Yeah. Nakaka-stress guys. Especially pag nag-drive ka. Here you go. What's that? Yan, happy na yan siya. Yan lang pala yung makakapag-ano sa kanya.
A few moments later.
Time check guys, it is exactly 1 o'clock ng hapon. And it's literally, gagawin ko ang lahat upang sauli ay tayo. Ang kailangan kong tahakin ang kilometrong layo. Sobrang kilometrong layo talaga guys. So it took us 40 minutes and I'm just grabbing the cash now. So, yung phone daw is for 550. So, you got one. That's 100 Australian dollars. Looks like note. 2, 3, 4, 5. Balik natin to kay bago. 50. Ayan. Ay, very madilim man. Ay, that's 550. Pera o bayong. Ang ating baby girl ay gising na gising. Hindi natulog. Uy, we'll tell daddy that. Or here na. Message the lady. we got the phone now. Ayan ang kanyang pa-box. So, it's 64GB 11 Pro Max. 64GB lang pala. Akala ko sabi ni Daddy Mike to 56. Baka ibang phone yun. Wow. So, the back looks really new. Tingnan nyo, walang ka-scratch-scratch. Tapos, ayan. So, meron pa siyang screen protector. Turn this on. So, wala siyang kasamang charger, guys. Just the phone itself. And, yeah, it's 550 Australian dollars for this one. Plus the petrol. Plus the petrol kasi malayo. I'm not 100% sure kung magkano to siya brand new. But yeah, the phone is working. Yan. So, kailangan pa itong i-set up ni Daddy Mike. So, ngayon, Daddy Mike has to go to Vodafone kasi yun yung service provider namin dito. And he has to create another SIM card for this. Gamit yung the same number. Kasi, it's possible naman kasi na ano guys, na gamitin pa rin yung phone number ni Daddy Mike. But a different SIM card na. Kasi alam nyo yun, yung phone na yun, connected yun siya sa lahat-lahat ng mga ano, tawag dito, sa mga websites na basta everything work, family, everything under the sun is nakakonect sa phone number na yun. So ako nga, I've been in Australia for 12 years and the same number pa rin yung ginamit ko from the very beginning, the same number pa rin hanggang ngayon kasi yun yung connected sa mga ano, importanteng bagay-bagay dito. So I think I'm happy with that. For sure Daddy Mike will be too. Kanina, pagkapasok namin dito sa street na to, nakita ko yung Inala. So, Inala is actually a place like parang, I think nakapag-vlog na tayo doon. Yung Asian place ba? Asian market. Meron din silang Filipino ano doon. Sobrang lapit lang talaga guys. So, that's a blessing in disguise. Pupunta tayo doon para bumili ng mga pagkain natin. So, it's currently 1:10. So, we have to get back before 3 p.m. kasi pick upin natin sa Ate Paris. So, yeah, we still have time. So, i-search ko lang ngayon kung saan yung daanan. But I believe it's probably like less than 10 minutes drive from here. So, you ready, anak? Ayan, nood pa rin, oh. Yay! Where are you? Tuwang-tuwa siya, makakalabas naman siya, ay. Hello! Buyagan, hindi muna ko, ay. Ay, gosh! Buyag, big girl naman kaayo, eh. Oh! Anyways, dito kami ngayon sa Inala. Ayan, Inala Plaza. May time pa naman. Labas tayo, na. Tricks Master. Ah, they're open, anak. Oh, we're going to have some Filipino food. Tingnan niyo. Gusto ko sanang mamalengke, guys. Diyan ba sa loob? I wouldn't have time. I have to get back on time for Ate Paris. How are you? Order tayo ng food. Kuan? Oh, order na mo. Order ako ng tinola, guys. Yeah? You wanna go down? Look! You have to pay for that one lang.
It's not already because obviously that's why we're having a problem that other places too.
We'll have to do this. Honey, girl, we'll pay for it first. We'll pay for it first. Hey, we'll pay. Come. Pick upin na namin ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Have a look at this little one. She fell asleep when we were like 4 minutes away from the school. Hindi pa kami umuwi. Kasi, nagipit kami sa time. So, from the Filipina restaurant, dumiretso na kami dito sa school para pick upin na natin ang Paris.
Let's do this to her. That's your house.
Ate Paris is here. How's your date?
Yeah.
Good?
How to make some friends.
Did you make more friends?
Yeah, but I don't know what's the name.
That's okay. You can ask tomorrow. Nagising na rin ang ating baby Celine.
I'm walking on the stairs.
Yeah. Wait, did you give baby Celine cuddle? Can you give baby Celine cuddle again?
So I'm doing
Lini, this way. Hi, Lini. We have to get out here now because we gotta go to... Huh? Ling, this way lang. Agoy, nagkahubo ka naman. Go. Kabalik
I
ba?
didn't. I was just tired. That's all. I was just snoring.
Okay.
Like that.
Yawning, you mean?
Yes.
Oh. Ay, day. Tingnan yung ating baby Celine, oh.
Oh, they can't. Do.
We're just walking towards the car now. Uwi kami. Sige, Ate Paris stop for swimming. And then balik din kami, guys. Come on, Mama will carry you now, ha? Let's walk across the road. 1, 2, ready, steady, go! Finally, guys. Hindi natin nakasan ang buses natin kasi may meeting pa kami. Papakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko sa Filipina restaurant sa Celine. Ate, kay Celine, take she might.
Yeah, the consultants that you can buy.
Wheel.
Oh yeah, it's not.
Look.
Look how the announce here.
I can hear you.
Plus, I've been the
Have a look.
Can
Have a look at Daddy's phone. Daddy's got a new phone.
we open it?
Yeah, sit here. Make sure it doesn't fall, huh? So yung binili ko,
Be
guys,
really be
is
careful.
putumaya, my God.
Oh, I don't
Sobrang
want. I don't
sarap
want.
niya. It's rice. Uy! Tatak ka. Rice.
No, I don't like that.
$2 each yung benta niya. Bumili ako ng...
I hope I see Benjamin
Bumili ako ng
today.
10. Huh?
Of course, I will.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Careful, ha? Ha?
My dad.
Yeah, just keep it there. Come here, sweetie.
Dad, look at our new phone.
Wait for Daddy na. Daddy's on the phone. Tingnan niyo pa ang binili ko. Ewan ko kung anong tawag sa
I don't like that
bread
either.
na ito.
Oh, until I like it, I'll just put it on.
Yeah.
And Mama just turned it on.
Binigyan ako ng
Mama, look, I
libre
just
isa.
turned it on right now. Look. Mama just turned it on.
Did you?
Yeah.
Bili ako ng buko pandan.
Yeah.
Kinain ko na yung dalawa. Masarap yan sa umaga ba?
He doesn't. He doesn't.
Parisa ng kape. Okay, so...
But again, I let him know that I let him know that
Ang dami kong pakain na binili. Ito meron.
I could see.
Yung rice ng ate. Alam niyo ba guys, hindi ko nakain ng aking tinola doon na in-order. Kasi sabi nila 15 minutes, di ba? Sabi ko, okay, I think 15 minutes maluluto siya. I have time to eat pa. Guys, it ended up more than 15 minutes. Wala na akong time kumain. Sabi ko, ipa-ano ko na lang. Ipa-balot ko na lang ba? So here's my tinola. Oh my God.
Yeah, definitely.
Inom ko itong... Tapos, ayan ang ating fried chicken na Pinoy yung kanyang amoy. Diba talaga, ano kaya meron guys, no? So, yung mga gamit siguro. Mga ingredients, ganun. Yung gamit na pag-crumbs, ganun. Filipino. Kaya, Pinoy. So, yun na yung binili ko. Bumili ako ng halo-halo. Kinain ko sa sasakyan while I was driving. So, yun lang. But this one, this is so yummy. Kakainin ko na ito ngayon kasi merong rice.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Tingnan niyo tong sabaw na to, guys. Nakakagutom. Gawa na. Bisaya siguro na yung ano ko ba. Latab-latab lang agi. Isa lang yung rice. Sana dalawa binili ko na rice. Dito na kami sa swimming class ni Ate Paris, guys. Tingnan mo itong isa. Tingnan nyo to, oh. Dito talaga yan siya. Agad-agad kapag dumating dito. Yeah! Up! Good girl. Start na ang ating Ate Paris. Nandun na, oh. Kita niyo ba? Tapos na swimming. How was it lang? Ito yung mga kaibigan niya dito, oh. So after swimming, maglalaro pa yan sila. Naghihintay pa ito sila ng kanilang Uber, guys. Kaya may time pa silang maglaro. Wala si Haling. Wala man si Haling nakalingkod sa sofa.
You're both together.
Lily!
Okay.
I think this is you're going now. Lisa, we're going home now. Bye-bye. See you next week.
I want a collection thing.
That's okay. We can find another one. Lily girl, you're not going, sweetie. You're not going. We're going to our car.
My dad will probably be no.
Come on, let's go.
I'll probably be no. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're making rice.
We're cooking rice. While Mama is eating this
Ice cream.
buko pandan, guys, from the Philippines.
My dad poured this in
Ah?
now.
Tignan niyo ang ginawa ko, eh.
My dad poured this in now.
Yes. Kuluman ko niya kabasin mag-
And guys, and you know what? I got a little bit of red right here.
I don't know what happened to that napkin. It seems like someone beat it.
No one did.
Something beat it.
Like
And
what?
something.
Ma, I know nothing, anything calling me. I didn't feel anything come.
Yeah? Oh, show your earrings, babe. So yesterday, I bought at Paris a new pair of earrings. Tingnan niyo. Diba? Sobrang cute. Yeah. Heart na, maliit na dangling.
And I'm gonna pour this.
Okay,
I just checking my nose first.
Okay, pour that one. Careful. Let me just rinse this one. You talk to Tita Tita.
These new roses.
Yeah, all of it. Put another. Beat, come here, baby. Come here, Tita girl. Sige, all of it. Okay. Yung mga rice. Yung mga stir. Good girl. Ay, put it back. Thank you. Whoop. Whoop. Nelly. Nelly. Whoop. Mama will help you there. Wow, look at mommy. Oh! Good girl, sweetie. Kakatapos lang mag-dinner nito, guys. Ang dami niyang nakain. Good girl. Wow! Pero yung ate niya, ayun, paiyak-iyak. Pinapagalitan ng tatay. Ayaw mang kumain. Sobrang daming drama. Ay, nak! Wow! Good job! What are you doing? Nabihisa na guys, pagtulog. Pero tingnan nyo, naka-fendi pa ng headband. Ayaw niyang galawin. Hoy! Alalala! Ana, Adri, mabukulan niya karon ba? Nag-video call kami ng family ko before matulog ba si Baby Celine. Ayan. Very noisy kasi ang aking sister ay nagla-live. Say hi, ma!
Tapos na siya mga loves.
Ayan, nag-live selling ang aking sister.
This is my favorite for live videos.
Putol-putol po kayo. Adya, signal pa imo.
Motor? Kini ba kay?
Ah, kita na mo ko papa.
Mag-chat ka na nun may gusto. Ina, signal guys, oy.
Visit niyo
Ay,
guys
ay,
ang
tignan
kanyang page. Ilagay ko sa screen guys ha, pangalan ng kanyang Facebook. Ayan, nagbebenta yan siya ng mga mga kung anik-anik guys.
Okay, this
Tingnan
one.
niyo, Lava in Japan.
Ma'am Rita, lagaling ko pa kayo in person.
Dilim-dilim na Gumamit lang sila ng
Guys, visit ninyo ang vlog sa akong ating mga love ha. Ma'am and Paris in Melbourne.
Charis.
Subscribe. Ang mag-subscribe ko na yung sa ka-dress.
Oh, sana all. Meron pala tayong pa-endorse dito guys. Yes, my love.
So, XL, madam.
Which one?
For the cheeks. Remember?
Did you poo?
No. I didn't poo anywhere.
See, have a look at Celine is ready for bed now na. Ito siya kay. Tingnan niyo, gumunguya-nguya pa
I was at school and guess what I was? I was
Sabaan
at
pa siyang
school
papa,
and guess what I was?
Yeah.
Guess what I was? Number. You can just ask me if you like.
Okay, what number?
One.
Did you weigh?
Yeah.
155?
Yes.
Wow, good girl. Uy. Oop. Bah.
Say hi.
Yeah. Say hi to Lola. Say hi to Lola. Say hi, Lola.
Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola.
Hi, sa Tita Slipey.
Here lang. Show lang. They can't see you. Say hi, everyone. Siya, ignanak, pamay na lang.
Hello, Mia.
Say, pamain. Tawa ni Celine guys. Walang iba nakaka sa kanya ba? Hindi yung ate lang niya. Say mama. Lang, mama. Ikaw ba? Mama. Alam niyo bang ito din guys ay nag-gain ng weight. Sobrang na niya. Ngayon, tingnan niyo ang mukha, oh. Burdago, lo. Buyag, kaloy sa Ginoo. Salamat, Ginoo.
Ouch. Stop singing.
Stop no, my love.
It hurts here.
Ay,
Right on the rib.
no.
Ow. Ow.
Enough na. Enough na, please. No more. Thank you. No more. No.
Because it hurts where my wrist.
Yeah. You probably scratched that one lang.
No, I know because Sky told me.
Hmm?
See, right here.
Mm. I don't know how to happen.
Or maybe I cut it there.
Maybe.